Today we are going to release the Nifty and Bank Nifty future weekly levels for the coming week. And so far, using this particular method of one standard deviation, we have released the report for 30 weeks. Out of this 30 week, 29 weeks it has given the success. 1 week in the month of October it was a failure, and this is the 31st week projection I am going to give. The 31st week's projection I am going to give now. So the coming week will be the 31st week. So for coming week, the calculations goes like this. So the real time estimate of volatility of Nifty future goes to 11.92%, and the real time estimate of volatility for Bank Nifty future goes to 19.72. So based on this particular estimation of volatility, and the last traded price of Nifty future is 7583, Bank Nifty future is 15,670. So based on this particular estimate, I am going to give you the report for the next week. So on 8th April, today we are releasing this particular report, and it is 11th to 15th April it is valid. So the formula for 1SD is price, volatility and square root of days. Here for Nifty, 11 point and odd, that volatility I have taken. Square root of the days is 7 calendar days I have taken. Price is 7583. Based on that, I got that 125 points of oscillation is expected in the Nifty future in the coming week. And based on that, our trend calculations starts here. So 7613 above, the uptrend confirmation comes, and 7553 below, the downtrend confirmation comes. And once this uptrend comes till 0.618, you will not find any problem. So in most of the cases till 0.618 retracement level you can achieve successfully, and once it penetrates this 7681 level in the uptrend level, then you can easily get that 7694 and 7737 levels, and 7785 is the last target. And similar way, the downtrend, if the downtrend starts at 7553 till 0.618, so 7506 level, you do not have any threat, you can easily achieve that. And post that, the death zone penetration, which is 7485 above, 7585 below, you need to move so that you can get the higher target. So the same thing I have listed it here, where the uptrend confirmation comes, crossover of this trend, where it will take you the first target and second, third and fourth target. So downtrend crossover where it happens, and all the downtrend targets I have given here. Range bound identification, this is very crucial, and since the volatility is maintaining below 15% level, here, so I am taking that 0.5 level as your range bound identification. So if the price move in the band of 75202 to 7645, you can say that this is the range bound territory. Once the price penetrates this level, then only you can get some sizable move in the price point. So this is what the range bound identification meaning is. And here, once you are going to do a trade, so I have clearly mentioned it here. Once if you are getting a buy trend breakout, then you must put 7553 as your stop loss, and simultaneously, while if you are entering a future, you must buy a put option. This is the simplest hedging technique. You can have many other complex hedging also. So once you are buying the future, just take the nearest downtrend strike price as your level of entry for the put option. So you are future buy, you are hedging with a long put option. Similar way, you can hedge the future sell with one short put option, or you can hedge the sell future with a long call option. So either way you can do it. Suppose you are selling a future, you can buy a call option, or you can sell a put option also. So any way convenient to you, you can hedge it. And once you are entering this trade and you are achieving this first target, then I am giving you the method to set the trailing stop loss. So once you are achieving the first target in the uptrend, so you are revising your stop loss to the 0.382 retracement level. Once you are going to the second target, you are revising your stop loss to the 0.5 level. Once you are going to the third target, herein, because we have achieved two level of targets, so herein I will little narrow down these things. Once you are achieving the third target, I am narrowing down to the 0.786, and once you go to the 1.236 level, so you narrow down your trailing stop loss to 0.888. So this is how you should initiate. And if the stop loss hits, so whenever if you enter a long trade and the stop loss hits, then your put option will be at a profit. So book the profit in put option, close this trade and reverse your trades. So this is how you should initiate a trade. And sometime the intraday fluctuations will be there against your trade. So on such occasions, little bit have patience and wait for that crossover of 0.382 retracement. Though we have placed the entry of a buy or sell at 0.236 retracement level. However, if you have entered a trade and it is moving against you, and then hurriedly do not exit the trade, wait for that 0.382 retracement level to cross over, then you can close and come out. So this is the best way you can do a risk management. Similar way I have given for the Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty already I have told you for next week the real time estimate of volatility says 19.72, and based on this I have made a calculations for Bank Nifty, and here it is saying that if we are moving above 15,833, then you can buy, putting 15,506 as your stop loss. And first target 15,934 and subsequent targets. Why I am changing this entry to 0.382 level instead of 0.236? Because of Bank Nifty's base value. Bank Nifty is a 5-digit number and its base value is too wide. For that reason only, I am just moving it to 0.382. As per the Fibonacci principle, 0.236 only sets the trend and 0.382 only confirms that trend. So trend set point, I am just giving some breathing ground, and then after 0.382 crossover, I'll be entering the trade. So this is how it is being designed, and I have told here, if you are buying the future, you should buy a put option. Since Bank Nifty options are little pricey in the first 2 weeks of the settlement, you can think of selling a call option. So here, if you are buying 16,362 is the last target, you can think of selling a 16,300 call option also. So this is how you can hedge your position. Always hedge your position, because these are the weekly positions. Whether it is weekly or intraday, make a practice to hedge all your positions, so that whatever the real impact of stop loss when it will come to you, that time you will be less affected as compared to the plain trade. So that is why the hedging is highly essential. So how is the performance of our last week's trend calculation? I have given the calculations on 1st April. So 4th to 8th April, this how it has performed. On 4th April, Nifty has given a buy trend breakout. Last week, whatever the calculation we have done. So based on that, so it has given a buy trend breakout last week, and that too on the very first day, Monday. However, it failed on Tuesday around 11 o'clock post RBI policy review, and then the trader has reversed the position. And if you look into this parameter, you have got On that day, on 5th April, that Nifty after reversal also it has given 4,600 profit, and Bank Nifty 4th it has not given any chance to enter. 5th only it has given the downtrend breakout, and 5th end of the day it was at a 5,130 profit. However, if you can follow off this same level on the 6th and 7th and compare it with the last traded price and the last Friday, this Friday's closing price also, you will find out very interesting picture. So 6th or 7th, if you look into, Nifty has made a 7548 level. So this level of 1.236 which we have calculated for last week, 7571, very much got penetrated. And if you compare it with the Bank Nifty also, we have calculated till the last target was 15,481. However, we have achieved till 15,505. So, couple of points we have missed from the last target. However, till 1.236 target we have achieved. So, with reference to the 5th April closing, this trade Bank Nifty was at a 5,130 profit, and Nifty after factoring these losses of 3,000 also 1,600 profit. If you take the 6th and 7th and considering this 1.236 retracement target level achieved, this profit is far better and it is more as it is projected on 5th April. So if you are considering this 5th April as a trailing level which has triggered and we have encashed this much profit only. So one lot of Nifty has given 1,600 profit and one lot of Bank Nifty has given 5,130 profit. However, the real projection on the 6th, on the 7th is entirely different. It is far bigger than this. So this is how it has performed last week, and this week's level already I have discussed. So real-time estimation of volatility is being taken, last traded price is being taken, and based on this projection is being done. And these are the weekly levels, and it must be hedged, and intraday levels will be quite different. And our 1SD software, if you are a user, then you can get the intraday levels quite accurately.